Useful English phrases you must know. Hi, my name is John, Juan, Marta, Sarah. You say this when you first meet a person. It's a pleasure to meet you. You say this when you first meet a person. It's very friendly. Hi, it's a pleasure to meet you. It's very polite English. Thank you for inviting me. You say this as an expression of gratitude for being invited to a party or to a meeting or to someone's home. I enjoyed our conversation. Here's my number. Let's speak again soon. If you really enjoyed someone's company, someone's conversation, you might want to give them your number and you give them some encouragement to call you. Where do you come from? You say this if you're interested in a person's background. Where do you work? You say this when you're interested in what they do for a living, in their profession, in their career. How long have you been doing that? You ask them that just as a follow-up to where they work. Could you please repeat that? If you don't understand something, feel free to politely ask someone to repeat themselves. Could you repeat that, please? Could you please say that again slower? Sometimes native speakers tend to speak fast and they slur their words, so feel free to ask them to repeat it again slower. I really appreciate that. You say that as a token of your appreciation and gratitude for something kind and nice that they've done for you. To follow up with, that's nice of you. That's just a compliment to someone who did something nice for you. Thank you so much. That's a standard courtesy. I do like it. Thank you. If you like something, let people know. I do like it. Thank you. I'm very sorry. You say this as a polite apology for anything in general. What do you think? If you are interested in what a person's opinion is about something, ask them what they think. What's your opinion? Another way of asking them what they think is to ask them their opinion. How do you feel about that? Another way to ascertain how someone feels about something. Will you be going? You ask a person, will he be going? If you're interested in whether they'll be joining you somewhere. I enjoyed our conversation. Would you like to go for a cup of coffee? If you're interested in a person, ask them to go for coffee with you. Let's have lunch soon. If you're interested in meeting a person again, invite them to lunch. See how they respond. I have to get going, but it was nice meeting you. That's a polite way of telling someone that you have to go, but you really enjoyed meeting them. Can you help me? Could you please explain something to me? That's if you don't understand something. Why is that? Ask them to explain something to you. I never knew that. Thanks. Wow, that's great. If you really like something, tell people. You've been very helpful. Thank you. How much does that cost? If you inquire about the price of something, ask them. I'd like to, but I can't right now. Thanks. It's been nice to chat with you. Let's get together again soon. How do I say that in English? If you don't know how to say something in English, ask. Would you like to meet again? Thank you for your time. You can improve your English. You can speak better English. With Grandpa Grammar's English Speaking Workshop, you can speak better English quickly. English is a bridge to open up the world to you. Better English is the key career success with better English. With Grandpa Grammar's English Speaking Workshop. Click the link in the description to find out more. Better English now.